Hi, we're going to be doing a bullying lesson through Powtoons. We're going to start off with a video that's going to teach us how to use it. It's a tutorial and it's a pretty simple program to use. You're able to create a cartoon and tell a story. As soon as we're through with that, we are going to go to a second video, which is only a few minutes long. It's going to teach you how to set up your account. We'll work with this together. You're going to start by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. You're going to sign in with your Google account, and once your account is created, then you're going to click on a template. You may use one of theirs or create your own. So what is expected out of this video? These are the steps that are gonna help you create. So once you decide what your event flow steps are, you're gonna start creating. Here are your steps. You're gonna start with brainstorming, so you can get your point across. You're gonna make a point, and you want it to go along with what your topic is. You're going to draw on different ways to communicate these ideas. You're going to give us feedback. Your classmates will give us feedback, and you're going to decide on what's the best way to go. You're going to revise and finalize everything, and then you're going to start to actually create your lesson. Soon as you are through creating, you're going to publish your animation, and then our third step will be presenting it. You're going to present to your classmates. Your classmates are going to give you some feedback. I'll give you a little feedback. We want to make sure that you speak clearly. You're going to explain why you chose your story. Is there a special meaning behind it? Is this a real life experience? Why were you passionate about this cartoon? And finally, we will do a rubric. I will do a rubric, which will give you teacher's feedback. This is not exactly what your template's going to look like. Your rubric's going to look like. This does give you the information, what's going to be involved in it. With this program, it didn't let me copy and paste it to look exactly like it does, but you've seen rubrics before, and I'll have a sample on hand if you want to see it a little better. This is going to help you in the future learn how to present better, what to look at. I'm going to help you with your good points and maybe some that need a little more work, and it'll be totaled up, and your points will be out of 30. And I hope you really enjoy this project, and I would love to hear some feedback, what changes could be possible, what you learned from it, how you like Powtoon, just an overall on what you think. Thank you.